Hello, my name is Mary Decatur, and I am an application specialist here with x-rite Incorporated. I work in our imaging and media team, and today I'm here to introduce you to our i1Studio product. And on that note, let's go ahead and take a look. i1Studio also comes with the color checker camera calibration software. And occasionally users will run into an issue where they install the program, but they're not able to locate the plugin, either going through their export option or file export with preset. On a PC, we can manually install that by simply clicking on File and then opening Plugin Manager. Once we have the Plugin Manager open, now we're going to select the Add button at the bottom left-hand side of the window, which will open the Explorer. Here's where we can begin to navigate directly to where the plugin is stored on your PC. We're going to select your C drive, and this folder may look a little different depending on the operating system you're working on. I happen to be working on Windows 10, and I know that these views can certainly be set up differently. So go ahead and click on your C drive, and then we're going to double-click Users, your username. Now here is where a lot of people will get stuck. What we want to select is a folder called App Data. Unfortunately, in this situation, it's not showing because this is a hidden folder. So we're going to need to cancel this location, and we're going to actually just minimize Lightroom for the time being while we go directly back over to the folder options. So if you can open up your Explorer window, and then what we're going to do is click on View, and here you're going to see an option that says Hidden Items, and we want that box checked so that we can see all of the hidden items within your C drive. Go ahead and close out of that window, and now when we go back to Lightroom and we try to navigate to that folder again, we'll be able to access that. Once again, we're going to go to File, Plugin Manager, Add, and now you'll see this PC, the C drive, Users, your username, and now here is App Data. And you'll notice this folder is slightly ghosted out, where it almost looks like the folder is almost invisible. That's because this is one of the hidden folders on your system. So go ahead and double click on that folder. And now we're going to go to Roaming, then Adobe, Lightroom, Modules, and here lies the x-rite Color Checker Passport.lr plugin. We're going to click that so that it's selected. And at the bottom right, click on the Select Folder option. That takes us back to this window, and it will now show you that your plugin has been added. So we're going to click Done to close this window. Now that we have the Color Checker Passport plugin installed correctly, you can either use the export option at the bottom left-hand side underneath your catalogs, which is going to show you the different options that you have available. You probably have a lot more different options than what I have in this particular case. Or you can also simply go from any of the modules you're working on. You can click on File and then go directly to Export with Preset, and you'll see Color Checker Passport will show up here as well. Once you've selected this, you'll have the ability to give the file a custom name. I always recommend using something that's an indication of the type of camera that you're working with, as well as the lighting conditions that you shot the image under or are shooting the images under. This can be extremely helpful so that you're not trying to use this file for multiple cameras and wondering why it's not available for you. And we'll just put daylight. Once you've clicked on Save, you're going to notice at the top left side of the screen in Lightroom, you'll see that the profile is being processed. And once that finishes, you'll see a small message come up showing that the DNG camera profile has in fact been generated successfully. Just click OK, and of course you will need to restart Lightroom in order to activate the profile so it's selectable. And I hope that that was very helpful for you, and have a wonderful day.